Manchester City latest full squad update 2025. Scott Carson, age 39 years, country England, position goalkeeper. Ederson, age 31 years, country Brazil, position goalkeeper. Stefan Ortega, age 32 years, country Germany, position goalkeeper. Manuel Akanji, age 29 years, country Switzerland, position defender. Nathan Ake, age 30 years, country Netherlands, position defender. Ruben Dias, age 27 years, country Portugal, position defender. Josko Gvardiol, age 23 years, country Croatia, position defender. Abdul Qadir Khusanov, age 21 years, country Uzbekistan, position defender. Rico Lewis, age 20 years, country England, position defender. Vitor Reis, age 19 years, country Brazil, position defender. John Stones, age 30 years, country England, position defender. Kyle Walker, age 34 years, country England, position defender. Josh Wilson Ashburn, age 22 years, country England, position defender. Oscar Bob, age 21 years, country Norway, position midfielder. Kevin De Bruyne, age 33 years, country Belgium, position midfielder. Jeremy Doku, age 22 years, country Belgium, position midfielder. Claudio Echeverri, age 19 years, country Argentina, position midfielder. Phil Foden, age 24 years, country England, position midfielder. Jack Grealish, age 29 years, country England, position midfielder. Ilkay Gundogan, age 34 years, country Germany, position midfielder. Mateo Kovacic, age 30 years, country Croatia, position midfielder. James McArty, age 22 years, country England, position midfielder. Nico Gonzalez, age 23 years, country Spain, position midfielder. Matheus Nunes, age 26 years, country Portugal, position midfielder. Nico O'Reilly, age 22 years, country England, position midfielder. Maximo Perrone, age 22 years, country Argentina, position midfielder. Calvin Phillips, age 29 years, country England, position midfielder. Rodri, age 28 years, country Spain, position midfielder. Sabinho, age 21 years, country Brazil, position midfielder. Bernardo Silva, age 30 years, country Portugal, position midfielder. Erling Haaland, age 24 years, country Norway, position forward. Omar Marmoush, age 26 years, country Egypt, position forward.